Kit Transform Moisturizer Detox Azi Cosmetics. Detox Cleaning Shampoo. Hair Transition Mask with Molecular Mass Replenishers and Soothing Balm. We have both the professional version and the home care version. Mode of use. Wash your hair twice with shampoo. The second time with a 10-minute break. Remove 100%. Apply transition mask. Leave it on hair for 30 minutes. Remove 100%. Apply half tip to balm to make pH correction. For those who are transitioning hair at home, wash 2 times a week with the same step-by-step. Wash twice with shampoo, with a break of 10 minutes, and apply after the mask. Rinse the mask and apply soothing balm. The Transform Kit is designed exclusively for those who are coming out of hair transition or wanting to get back to curly hair. So it has no relaxation whatsoever. You can do the cachotherapy effect with it, and you can make a molecular mass replacement for dry hair and even hair that has a chemical cut.